In today's video, we will be changing this pipe. Yeah, this pipe kind of bit the dust, right? It used to fit right over there, basically going underneath this plastic tray here, going straight by your PCV valve. So this is how it looks like after it broke, and this one is the new one. So I'm quickly going to show you guys today how to install it. Basically, it's very easy. So right down over here, we've got two places to bolt down. Let me quickly turn on the flashlight. Right over there, bolt number 1, and right over there with my hand there, bolt number 2. We're just basically going to take it underneath this tray. So we are going to have to loosen these two bolts. Basically, this bolt over here is our little famous T30, and then to loosen the bolts that goes in over here, they are A5. There we go, H5. So basically I've got a few small extensions over here, also got a flexible extension just for in case, basically to get, where's that bolt? To get that bolt over there loosen up. Yeah, it's kind of like flexible a little bit just to make life a little bit easier. We got some shorter one, medium one, and then a small ratchet. So basically we are gonna go and turn this little one loose, and there we go. So once we have obviously removed it, all your coil packs will be plugged in. So I've already done this. I was actually trying to find for boost leaks. I found that my car was leaking boost. I'll show you guys now. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Right over there, basically where this part goes into the PCV valve, it was leaking air straight out of there. So basically, yeah, I'm trying to like move the pipe back. This pipe is really brittle. Watch out, it will break very easy. Just snapped off like, as I like basically pulled it back, it just heard broke off. So basically these clips are going to be on this lever over here. You're just going to push it backwards. Once you push it backwards, it actually lifts up and you can take all 4 of them off. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to basically pull out your coil packs. And I always recommend it, keep the order that you take them out with: 2, 3, and lastly number 4. You don't have to remove all of them. Basically what I'm just trying to do is just trying to make some more space for the video and all of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason for doing this is basically if you get a misfire on cylinder number 1, you know you did not mix anything up, everything goes back to where it's supposed to be. So the next step will be is to remove this bolt over here, which is also a T30. So basically this bolt, which I'm going to show you guys now, this bolt I removed in the beginning. So this bolt actually, which way is it around? It goes in this way. So this bolt basically goes in like that, holding it. So I actually already removed this pipe, this bolt, and as I just moved it backwards, it just snapped right off. So basically that's where that bolt goes to. We're just gonna go and put it over here. So we're not gonna use this one anymore. We're just gonna put it here on the additional table. All right. Okay, so here comes the fun parts. We do have a little bit of space, basically trying to see if we can go down there. So I think the best is gonna be is let's first remove this pipe over here with these bolts there. And without a lot of effort, a little bit of wiggling, and it will break loose. So here it is. So just a quick comparison. It's always good to just make sure it is fine. So what I am seeing here is that, okay, we did not, because yeah, they did use, no, a little bit. It's almost like there's a small little gasket over here. By the looks of it, let's quickly have a look here. No. Doesn't look like there's any gaskets. So when I do look here, it does seem like it kind of did have a little bit gasket, because I can see here on the edges. So this could be basically, let's try to see. It looks like there is something, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I've actually decided to go ahead and put some gasket maker on this just to help and seal it up. I told myself, regardless, even if the old one did have like a little bit of like it looks like there was also gasket maker on it. Just a note of advice, my turbo has been in for reconditioning, so I doubt by the looks of it that there should be any gasket maker on it, but or any gasket at all. So I was just saying, rather safe than sorry. Let's rather have a good seal. Alright, so before I tighten at the bottom, the gasket is not touching, it's still a little bit on an angle. So what I'm going to quickly do is, I just want to quickly put this in the right place. So basically we're just going to press it back a little bit. I'm probably going to need 2 hands for this. Hold on quick. Okay, I think I should be able to do it with 1 hand. Just going to quickly go in there. Oopsie, nope, apparently not. Okay, there we go. It's going in, gasket is on, just positioning it. Nice, there you guys can see. Sorry, I'm trying to like look on the camera and look in a real person. So we basically just got to take it now and just push it in properly so that gasket over there disappears. Wow, this is an amazing, great tight fit. I absolutely love it. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands, hold on. Okay, so basically we have those 2 bolted down. Now I just made sure I shoved it in properly. As you guys can see, green gasket, you can see a little bit, but it's sealing up very good. So this one can turn right in. It's just quickly. So yeah, just okay, well, quickly. Let's see, maybe it will quickly go. Alright, just a quick heads up, just make sure you got your spark plugs in so that nothing falls down in there. If something has to fall in there, you'll forever be upset, I promise you. Okay, so it is bolted down. Now it is time to quickly go cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, 3, and 4. There we go.